Sean being goofy on skate. Sean, do not let him fall. Hang on to him. I'm videoing you. Sean. Sean. Mommy's going to put it on her blog. You're doing that on purpose. Mommy's going to put it on the blog. Careful.
You know how you walk? Yeah, doing that. But
He's just being silly.
Instead of picking up your feet, roll. Instead of picking up your feet. You're gonna fall. Yeah.
Careful. Careful.
Yeah, kiss me the boy. I saw it.
Careful. Careful. Sean.
Okay, Chris, hold on, Black. Jesse, thank you. Get back. Oh my God. I saw what you said to Jesse. Trust me. You to come with me?
You two come back over here. Careful. Chris.
Go back.
Kids.
Go.
You don't give me a freaking heart attack.
Talk to her. Go.
No, y'all need to come back over here. Come back and forth over here. Sean, you do not jump. Sweetie, no. Oh my goodness.
Go.
Careful. La. Thank you for your little 2 cents.
You know how they do like that? It was oh my God. Crystal, help him! Don't help him! Chris. Go.
Jesse, you ain't going nowhere. Start.
Chris, honey,
I'll be like,
be careful.
back away. Okay, hold my hand, guys.
Be careful. And
Just-
Sean, do not jump. You're giving me a heart attack.
Doing this?
Oh my child, I'm telling you.
Hold my go. Ready? Hold my hand.
I'm sure I'm putting this on YouTube.
Hold my hand. Got it. Chris, hold my
Are
hand.
you showing that on
Mom,
purpose?
You go. Get this close. Scoot back, guys. Wait, good. Just.
Hang on to him. Sean Nicholas. Alright, that's it. Come here. No. Chris, stop it. Sean, here. Now. We're turning it off. We're going in. You need to get in the bathtub, honey. While Mommy's show's on.
This show stinks.
No, it don't.
Yes, it does.
No, it don't. Hey. No, drop dead diva. Hey, are you going to say anything to my friends? Because I'm putting this on YouTube.
Hey,
You better not. I'm talking to you, and you better be nice. Hey.
Okay.
Come on. Untie that first.
Don't wet my phone.
Untie it first, goof nut.
We don't do.